So what? So I'm late. Sue me. Sorry guys. I just well, I'll tell you later. But I'm here. Today's gonna be really fun, guys. We're actually going to redo all of the crap we did yesterday, and we're gonna try a different method in this stream. We're gonna create a map editor for the dungeons in Father. By the way, if you haven't downloaded that free 2D game kit below, click below, download that game kit. I'm gonna send it to your email. I'm also gonna send you through a drip several other free tools, free resources, and encouraging emails, mostly on a weekly basis, of just me giving you updates and trying to encourage you about your career and your indie game journey. And I'll also let you know when my games are, my game tools and also my games are on sale. So feel free to click below. I used this same game kit to make a game for PewDiePie in 14 days. It's totally free. It's my treat to you. Let's get started. By the way, guys, I did want to tell you about my new short horror film coming out called The Unlocking. Pre-production has started. We've been doing some script writing, some preparation. I'm getting the studio and the team together. We're going to be launching this, hopefully, sometime in December. It's called The Unlocking, and it's about obsessive-compulsive disorder. It's a short film. We're working on that right now, but hey, let's go ahead and jump into Unity. And by the way, I'll let you know when The Unlocking's out if you get it on my email list, and the way you do that is just get that free game kit. All right, let's see how everybody's doing today. What the F is going on here? Burp, burp, burp.
Oi.
Okay, so this is what we're working on. We're using something called Snap Tool 2. So yesterday we were using Snap Tool 1. We're going to delete that. Let's see here. Yeah, okay. So right now we're actually working on, remember that script we had yesterday? It's called Find and Create Snap Points. This should still work for the new system. So let's click this. Ooh, we found one. Good, okay. And all that did was it found snap points on this door here. Good news, all right? So we're gonna test this out. All right, let's go into our little map editor here. So it is currently, it's hot in here. Woo, it's hot in here. Fans on, air's down, but I'm really hot. Okay, so let's go to tools, Snap Tool, level editor. All right, we're gonna bring this over here, and let's go ahead and decide what our tile library is. Hey, I think we already have a tile library. Let's drag that. Let's click on the tile library here. Wait, hold on. Tools, Snap Tool, level editor. What? It's not showing up. What's going on? There we go. What? Okay, so it looks like the inspector is going to show all of the information for our actual tiles. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and create that one tile, all right? I can't remember where we were. What were we in? We were in one of the prefabs, and we just created one of the tiles. Let's see here. Not that. By the way, that's not me farting. That's my arm moving. Let me try again. You guys don't believe me, do you? I'm joking, all right? Okay, so I think it's this one here. All right, cool. So Attic AJ variant. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on... Whoa, where did it go? So many confusing things are happening. Hold on. What? That's so weird. So we got to go to the tile. There we go. Okay. So the tile library includes all this information here. So it was Attic AJ1, I believe. So you just drag in your tile. Oh, you got to create a tile. So add tile, and let's see what happens. One snap point. Good. Okay. So we have Attic AJ variant. So that's good to go. Now the next thing I want to figure out here is how to use these. So let's start here though, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna be adding all these different points. Okay. So basically, I just all I do is add in the find and create snap points, and I find them. And look, we just found all these different snap points, so that's great. So we're going to save this one. Hopefully that'll save. Maybe not, though. We're going to double check. Okay, good. It saved it for some reason. Okay, we were having trouble yesterday. Things weren't saving. So we're just going to go down the list here and do exactly what we did yesterday, but we're using the new system, which is Snap Tool 2. So we still have to find all the snap points and all that. So, and by the way, the snap points are actually inside of every single door prefab. Okay, so we don't have to go through and identify each snap point because they're just part of these door prefabs. Let's all say hello to Mr. Gordon Arbor, Ignited CMS, and Rowan, always here to help. All right, snap points were created for bathroom. That's good. Go to classroom, same thing, right? Boop, save, common room, boop, save, boop, corridor, boop, save, boop. Double check here. Okay, good, everything's saving properly. Boop, boop, boop. Save. Boop, 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 save. So we've got all these different rooms with all their different data points for snapping. Great, right? The next thing I want to do is figure out how to actually get this level editor to even work, right? I know, let's see here. Okay, so if we select these guys, I am curious if you hold control. Okay, nothing works there. So I'm going to delete all this crap here. We don't need anything here. We're going to delete bed all the way down to bathroom J variant. So we're going to delete all that crap. All right. So far, so good. We don't need this either. So delete that. And then also delete this, okay? So hopefully this is going to give us an opportunity. Whoa. We're in isometric mode, that's why. Hopefully this is going to give us an opportunity, just a nice little area to start building out our level. Now, I don't actually know how to use the level editor, so I think what we need to do is actually have a map root. So we create an empty game object. This is going to be called map root, and I'm going to drag that in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got some attic HA variant. Ooh, okay, so there it is. And I believe we can drag it in maybe? Oh, I remember. You put it right here. And then hold control, I think. And we can snap. Let's see here. Look, there it is. We have some kind of signal there. What is that? What is that little zero? All right, so let's go to the tutorial and take a look. We'll watch this tutorial together, okay? Should I watch me? I think I want to watch me. Let's go to the tutorial. Okay. And take a look. We'll watch this tutorial together, okay? Should I watch me? I think I want to watch me. Right. Let's go to the tutorial. Okay. Take a look. We'll watch this tutorial. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Should I watch me? I think I want to watch me. Yeah. Right. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, Right. No. So if you actually find yourself in that kind of position, you want to make sure that you change it. Obviously, you got to take advantage of. Right. You want to take advantage of being sure that you're careful about staying courageous, never quitting, and being positive. Okay. Obviously, you got to take advantage of. Right. You want to take advantage of. Okay. Being sure that you're careful about staying courageous, never quitting, and being positive. Okay. Well, what about there's an interesting
Right,
idea in
right.
when you're using C Sharp. It's very similar to using something like Blueprint. When you're using C Sharp, you want to make sure that when things are cascading down,
Okay.
you consider tabulation as opposed to
Well,
spaces.
what about the
if you're
inter-
using
there's an interesting
spaces, you're
idea
probably
in
going to get
when you're using
reprimanded by the
C#. It's
gatekeeping
very similar to
community.
using
So
something
it's
like Blueprint. When you're using C#,
right.
you want to make sure that when
Yeah.
things are
Okay.
cascading down, you consider tabulation.
right,
If
right,
you're
right.
using spaces, you're probably gonna
Well,
get
then
reprimanded
that's
by the
interesting, Thomas. I would say
gatekeeping
that I would reconsider your
Right.
thought process entirely
Okay.
from the ground up.
You consider tabulation.
Right,
If
right.
you-
Okay, so if we go to YouTube,
Well,
we
then
can type
that's interesting,
in.
Thomas. I
Let's
would
see
say that,
here.
I would reconsider your
What was
thought
it called?
process
Snap Tool
entirely
2 from the ground up.
Right.
All right, let's see what this guy has to say.
Use the arrow buttons to navigate between tiles.
All right.
Same procedure
I can't hear you, buddy.
for any other tile.
So it looks like he's taking screenshots. Use the arrow buttons. Let's take a look. No. Group. Why is that red? Huh. We'll figure it out. Let's watch the tutorial, okay? So he's got his snap points. He's taking screenshots.
Use create tile library.
We already did that.
Our tile you get and press create from folder. Just for tutorial reasons,
Whoa, okay.
I added one tile without
Look at
snap
that.
points on it.
Okay, so he created a whole folder of tiles. Let's do that really quick. I'm terrible at following tutorials. I really am. Because I always just assume I know what I'm doing. So let's create it from this folder here really quick. I'm going to drag in my interiors folder. Create. Got it. No errors found. Good news. Look at all these snap points. Awesome. 3 snap points. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4, 5. Great news, guys. So let's see if we can drag in the... Yeah, they're there. Okay. So how do we actually use this level editor? I have no idea. Oh, I think I need to drag this into the root. Okay, that's one thing. Let's take a look.
As you can see, you get a notification. Let's just remove it from the library.
Well, that's a good way to fix a problem. Just delete it.
Okay, now it's time to build something. Let's create a new scene. And open it. We need a root game object for our map. Now open the level editor. Drag our map root object to the level editor. When doing this the first time, you also have to set the tile library to the level editor. This looks all nice and dandy, but we like our tiles to be organized in groups.
Beautiful. That's cool, isn't it?
We will do this on the tiles themselves. Any tile can be part of a group that you can define. Let's find our tiles and set a matching group to them. For the rooms, we choose rooms. We set the group in the tile data script of our tiles.
Okay.
Same procedure for the other tiles.
I don't see what the point of that is, but okay. We'll follow his directions. Select them all, and we're going to call these rooms. Okay? All right, good. This is kind of cool. If it works,
Okay.
it's kind of cool, isn't it?
Let's have a look at the level editor. As you can see, everything is nicely arranged in groups now.
Ooh, let's take a look. Very cool. All right.
It seems we forgot some tiles. Let's fix this.
I'm so
We
hot.
forgot the connection tiles, it seems.
I'm as hot as
Let's add
a
them to the
camel
group,
in the
always.
desert.
It seems everything looks nice and dandy now.
That's awesome.
Let's start building. We have to add the first tile by hand to our map.
Three-way. Ooh.
But from now on we can use the level editor. Choose a tile and hold Control to see all 3 snap points.
Okay, hold your horses. That's the theory. Ooh, okay. So, whoa. So I don't know why those gizmos look like that, but I think I have an idea. Okay. Uh-oh. We got some problems, Frank. Looks like we got the points are all wrong. Yeah. So the points are all screwy. I think it's because of the scale of that. It could be it. So the gizmo's scaled wrong. That's okay. I don't know what that one is. Okay, cool. That's pretty, I mean, it's working kind of. So, yeah, the locations are all wrong. Let me think here. Why is that? Oh, I think it might be a scaling issue and hey, it's a scaling issue and a rotation issue. That's what's wrong. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix that really quick. What we got to do is we need to go into the door square, and then we also need to go into the snap point quad. Okay, the snap point quad you can see here is all screwy. The positioning, I think the positioning we can be okay with. Oh, what do we do here? Let's think about this, guys. We have this quad here, but the quad is all scaled weird, right? So really it's a scaling issue. Okay. Also, it's got some weird rotation. There's a few things here that are screwy. But let's keep watching the tutorial here.
Click on 1 to add a new tile. Something slows down the editor a moment. This is super slow right now. Okay, so the unavoidable baking. Let's just disable this. If you ask me, this is very typical for Unity. It's not ready for production because no one tried. At least not at Unity. Much better. To remove a tile, just keep Shift pressed and click on the tile to remove. Also undo and redo are fully supported.
How do you rotate?
Snap points, press spacebar. Okay, this is basically what you need to know.
Please tell me how to rotate.
As always, have a nice day.
No! Please, just teach me how to rotate. Oh, I don't want to do this again.
Good morning, guys. Today I want to show you what an adapter is and what you can do with it. As you can see here, we have slide arrows. This is because the texture is not that you can set on any snap point in the map, occupied or not. As you can see in the level editor, the active tile is marked as an adapter with the icon in the upper left corner.
I don't care. I want to rotate.
Now let me show you how to make an adapter. We are now in the demo scene.
Let's see if it's in the documentation. Of all the things that we want to do, rotating is not one of them. Oh my word. Okay, while I'm fixing stuff, why don't you guys go ahead and find the answer for me? So yeah, like the door snap quad is all rotated weird. So what we need to do is we need to create some kind of quad. In fact, it doesn't really matter Hey, yeah. In theory, I think we could actually, what we could do is we could do a 3D object, a cube, and just set it to 1, 1, 1 with 0 rotation. The position would be zeroed out as well. So that interesting. Maybe we could do a 3D quad again. Let's see here. Delete that. Let's take a look at this. Zero it out and do 1, 1, 1. So I believe, yeah, we've got this quad now, and I think that's okay. What, am I wrong here? I think it needs to be world positions or like local positions. Give me just a sec, guys. So remember we had, let's figure this out together. The problem is this find and create snap points, okay? It's finding the position, all right? Right here, child.transform, it should be the world position, shouldn't it? So, yeah, it should be the world position. So how do you convert a regular position to a world position? Convert child to world position. Is it this? It's transform. Wait a second, guys. How do I find a world position here? Because I feel like it's a child position, so it's totally different than what we're trying to find. Alex, of course it's not too late for a 35-year-old game developer. I know I look like I'm 18. I'm 31. Control F in the documentation is rotate. Really? Let's take a look. This is important. This is actually really important. Control, click, control. What was it? Control F? No. What did you say? Control F is rotate? No. Maybe it's Command F? It's space. Control space. Okay. Sweet. Yay! Thank you. Play once, as always. Even though you were wrong, thank you. So you have to hold control. Nope, that's not rotate. That's not rotate. That's just shifting between doors. Crap. I mean, it's so far. I mean, we're close. We're close. So how do I rotate? That's the question. Control F is rotate in documentation. I did play once. I did look for rotate. Let's see. Control F, find. I guess I can't find. Find, rotate. Look. There's none. Maybe go to the web. Were you on the website, buddy? Oh no, we already did that. We already did that. We're trying to find it and we can't find it. I mean, we can search through it though. I'll tell you what, the documentation is not great. It really isn't. Woo! It's pretty bad.
Hello guys, This is a short tutorial about SnapTool, showing you all necessary steps.
Yeah, once we get the rotation done, and once we get the doors positioned properly, it's going to be amazing. There's the intro. There's the tutorial. Tips and tricks. Wow. It's all right. It's all right. It's a brilliant tool. It's just...
Hello guys.
Okay.
In this video is done to select the whole room, but not too much around it. Just like this. Create tiles from them. Of course, you do not have to do this, but I find it much more easier than to work in prefab mode.
It should be E or Control E. You just saying that's what it should be? Yeah. Let's try it. Just gonna press a bunch of buttons. I don't want to have to deal with this again. I really don't. Whew. Okay, so... So yeah, we have some scaling issues only with one type of door, which in this case, it's yeah. Wow, how strange. It's the rounded doors that we're having scaling issues with. But none of this matters if we can't... That's it to 0.90. Yeah, but this, yeah, I see the scale is all whack. So if we go to this right here. Oh, I'm so confused. Sorry, guys. Yeah. I told you this was going to be riveting. There's our little door point quad with some door data and a snap point. Okay. Okay. The snap, okay, we can set this to 1-1. The rotation's all screwy. Zero that out. Can we set this to 1-1-1? I wonder if we can. So it's like smack dab in the center of the door, you know? So really, I mean, it doesn't need to be a quad at this point, but we're just going to keep it as a quad. We're going to set to 1-1-1, a rotation of 0. Okay. We're going to save that out, and then we're going to go to the door square as well. So that's all zeroed out. That's all zeroed out. Good. Okay. So next thing I need to do is go through each one and recalculate the bounds, okay? Or recalculate the data. So clear, create. Clear, create, save. Clear, create, save. Clear, create, save. Clear, create, good. That was classroom. Common room. Clear, create, good. Corridor, clear, create. I know this is exciting. Hold on. Just be patient. So the theory here, guys, is what we were talking about yesterday. Investing the time at the beginning in creating systems that make it really easy to make the game scalable. Scalability is my primary concern. Obviously, in my head, atmosphere and visuals are also part of that scalability. I want things to look amazing, but you can repeat that amazing visual over and over and over again with an editor like this. So that's why I'm taking so much time on this. So just bear with me. You could fox with me, you could deer with me, or you could bear with me. I suggest the third option. Foyer J variant, good to go. Lecture hall J variant, clear, find. Storage closet, clear, find. Tall connector, clear, find, clear, find, good. Clear, find. Thin, short hallway, clear, find. So the theory is that this should now work. Okay. Hold control. Yay. Well, what? The positions are certainly whack. Look, like this one here. There's so many. I think I know the problem. We're close. We're close. Door, snap point, quad. There's only one snap point quad, and it's right there. Okay? So, man, we're so close. For some reason, we're getting multiple snap points. I know, guys. I'm going to hold control here. But I don't know what that one is. Let's take a look. So if we open up dining room J, how many snap points do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 snap points. That's the theory. So for some reason, we're getting a lot, though. So let's go to our tile library here. What are we in? Dining room J. It says 5. Look at that. What on earth? Wow. We're getting some screwiness going on here. Shouldn't have to be this complicated. First off, I don't know why there's so many snap points here. Look at this. What? That is so weird. I mean, it's awesome. I mean, we're getting, it's so close. Like, we're so close. I just don't know why. Maybe I need to clear all these and just start again. Let's start with just one. We're going to start with one. Whoops. We're going to start with one, okay? We're going to start with the tall room stairs, okay? So we're just going to drag that in. We're going to do one tile here. We're going to drag in the tall room stairs. No. Corridor stairs 2. That's the one we're going to start with, okay? There it is. We're going to go back here and we're going to take a look. It could be, I think I know what's going on here. Kind of. Corridor stairs 2, drag it in. There it is. Control. Now hold control. Look at all those positions. There's like a bazillion. Look at that. Whoa, there's so many. There shouldn't be. So let's clear all those out. And now it only found 2. Save. Whoa. It didn't save. Please tell me it didn't save. It didn't save. Clear all snap points, find, and then we have that stupid issue we had last time where we have to like change a value first. And then hit save. Okay. Okay. Now, for some reason we have 3 snap points though. Look at that. Dude, what? That is so weird. Look at this. Two, 3, 5. I think I need to recreate it or something. Okay? I think that's what we need to do. I think anytime you make a change, you got to go to the tile library and trash it, which is wonderful. Not the most responsive of systems. Why? Trash. Add tile. And we're going to try and drag that one more time, okay? Okay. Hold control. Oh my word. Select. What? Y'all. I'm about to delete the whole thing. That is so weird. Look at that. Hold control. What? I'm so confused. Why is it what? Hmm. Hmm. That's so strange. Look at this. Dude. Okay, do we if anybody no, it's not the preview icon. This isn't AJ's system, that's why I'm not asking AJ. Yeah, the system doesn't work. Okay. So we're going to delete it. So say goodbye to Snap Tool 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask for a refund. Ask for a refund for Snap Tool 1 and this is my reminder for me. Snap Tool 2. Okay, we're going to use the one that I just wanted to avoid, but we're going to go and get it. Let's go to the asset store. And it was called a Snap. I can't remember what it was called. Here we go. Snap. It was called. It'll show up. I'll bring it on over here. There it is, Octave 3D level design. I really don't want to learn some massive program. And this isn't really something I should be live streaming because it's going to be really boring. You know? Let's see if there's a video on snapping. Vertex.
Hi guys, and welcome to a new video tutorial. So in this video I'd like to talk to you about the Octave built-in vertex snapping functionality, which is useful in some situations where you just can't get the the object to snap as you want it to. So for example, in this scenario, I have this floor here, and I want to place these objects that extrude downwards a little bit. So if I just use the regular snapping functionality with the pivot points, it's gonna place the object on top of the grid, and we want the end, the cage, and that is by yeah, there you go. So this is a really nice and fast. I think I'm gonna place it right here. Yeah. So now I would like to move to modify the grid position.
All right, let's buy this and just see what happens. It's okay. We'll get asked for a refund if we don't like it. All right, my card number, if anybody's curious, is 654-553-724-6389. And the code on the back is 675. All right. Okay, let's buy that, see what we get. Open it in Unity. Take a look. It's going to be a lot of crap that we have to import. Tile maps support prefabs. Okay. Yeah, but it's not a tile map. It's random door locations that I need to snap. So it's not tiling. We're not doing a tile-based game. We're doing basically just snapping. Okay, there are no packages. Hooray. So far so good, Tom. Okay, let's download this and then import it. Okay. And we also need to go to all of our prefabs that we just momicked all over. Sorry, that's a word my dad used to use. What it means is you just messed it up. I grew up thinking that was a word until I was like 21. Import. Okay. Nope, that's 2D Fire Effects. Crap. Wrong one. Why? Unity, why? I'm starting to sweat. I'm getting frustrated. This is really frustrating. There it is. So first off, we need to go to our other prefabs and just delete all that crap. Okay. So the snap point quad, we're just going to delete that entirely. Door square, delete that. Yep. Also remove. That's good. Door rounded. Good. Go to the other prefabs, these here. Okay, go to each one and just clear. This is great, huh? For those of you who care and want to help, be taking a look at Octave and how we can. All we need Octave to do. Is we need Octave to allow us to put snap points at each door and then just snap to this door. That's all we're trying to do. Snap point, boom. And one of you said yesterday, and I thought it was annoying, one of you said, Thomas, you should just script this yourself. And I thought, you're so full of it. And then I realized you're probably right. I would have been done by now. Well, maybe not. Is there a way to remove all of these? I don't think there is. Remove all these weird scripts here. Woo! I know this isn't very exciting this week, guys. I'm sorry. But it's whatever. If you guys want to ask me some questions, I'll answer them while I'm cleaning this up. Go ahead and ask some questions. We'll do a little Q&A while I'm cleaning up. No, I did not say yesterday I made the tool. Yesterday I said I was tweaking the tool to work for my own game. If it works, I made the tool. If it doesn't work, it's not my tool. I'm just kidding. All right. Dr. Byte says, what is the gatekeeping community? My assumption for that, I've never even actually looked up gatekeeping. I just assumed what it meant. It's when people make you feel stupid and like you have to be a certain way to accomplish a certain goal. So it's like a real estate agent, like, oh, real estate is so hard. Don't even try. It's like they feel so good in their little community. They feel special. They get really defensive when other people want to join. And in game dev, it's particularly annoying because I'm somebody who's pretty. I mean, I tell you guys this all the time. I'm not very smart, but I'm doing this full time for a living. But Thomas, you're a YouTuber. This is one of the frustrating things I have. One of my frustrations is, this is another gatekeeping tactic. A game dev is someone who makes games and sell them. That's it. What they don't realize is game dev is about marketing. Half of your job should be marketing your game. So the most effective way for me to market my games is to do what I'm doing right now. I just make it in front of thousands of people every day. And that's how I market my games. Ooh, a big storm is outside my window. Wow. It's raining hard, guys. I wonder if it's that Louisiana storm. Uh-oh. We were getting tornado warnings last week. Let me double check here. Am I going to die? Okay, now I'm scared. Oh my, it's like right over me. Well, kinda. It's actually over Memphis right now. Special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms. We're all right. Okay. Good. Okay. Everything's cleared up. So now we have the ability to use the new toolkit, all right? So that is called Octave Editor. Man, I really don't want to do all this crap, but let's just learn the system. Let's see if there's a, if we go to YouTube here, there should be tutorials here. Let's see here. Apartment tutorial. Okay.
Hi there. So yeah, here's the video that I promised. I'm gonna show you how you can build an apartment with 2 levels. Yeah, so it's probably gonna be it's gonna be that all the objects that I'm placing are gonna be attached to the active group, which will create groups for first.
Okay. Tools. Okay, there. Here. Octave 3D. Oh my goodness. There's a lot I gotta learn, guys. I'm probably gonna stop streaming. Okay. There's a lot to learn today. You don't want to see me learn. Sorry about today's stream, guys. Wasn't very fun. It means a lot that you hung out with me, though. If you want to download that free 2D game kit, though, feel free to download that below. It's my treat to you. I use this to make a game for PewDiePie in 14 days. And feel free to download that. I will see you tomorrow.